Hey guys, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know, guys. Hello everyone, I hope that I'm live right now. If you guys are able to listen to me properly as well as there's no issues with the audio or the video, please let me know. Issues, everything is fine, all clear. Okay, great guys, great, amazing, amazing. Okay, so could you guys let me know what have you studied in our yesterday's class? Could you guys let me know what have you studied in our yesterday's class, guys? Guys, let me know what have you studied in our yesterday's class, guys. Please let me know. We studied about the React Hello World render method. Good. We studied the Hello World program using React. Good, guys. First code in React. That's good. Wait, wait, sir. Connect. Okay, we studied about JSX. Okay, okay, okay. Studied about JSX. Good, guys. Anything else that we studied yesterday, guys? Anything else that we studied yesterday? Please let me know. What? Okay, okay, great, guys. So let us get started with our today's class. We are going to learn about what are your components, how to create components in React. Okay, that is our thing to do today. Okay, are you guys excited for that? Please let me know. We will be learning how to create components, guys. Are you guys excited for that? Please let me know. Are you guys excited for that? Please do let me know, guys. Okay, so I'm a bit ill today. Okay, I am having a bit of headache as well as I'm having a bit of pukishness. I don't know why, but please do if I'm seeing a bit odd, just ignore it. Okay, just focus on what I'm teaching. Okay, even if I'm ill, you don't have to worry about it. Your classes won't be affected a lot. Okay, so now I showed you guys one of my cats. I have two cats. I've showed you guys one of my cats. There's one more person in my house that felt as if I was ignoring her. Okay, that you are showing everybody to her, so why are you not showing me? Okay, and see this, see. Arey baap रे बाप. Oyu, oyu. There's always one particular person that is around me and she's like, dude, you showcase everybody to Oscar to everybody, why are you not showcasing me? Okay, so let's continue from right over there, guys. Let's continue from right over there. And yeah, so let us open up Code Sandbox. Let me also open up your live chat on a separate mobile phone so that I'm able to see your chat as well, guys. Give me a second. Oh, you boy, you boy. Mwah. So, staying at home, that is one of the benefits as well as demerits. You have people around you, but they are not actually people, they are animals. So, yeah, it has its own benefits and demerits as well. See? No? Sit, bacha. Sit. Sit. Okay, so let's get started with that, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the same one that we were using yesterday. Okay, that was this one, I guess. Let us just open this up right now. Okay, I think so. This was the one that we were using yesterday, right, guys? Please let me know. This was the one that we were using yesterday. Please let me know. Great. So I'll just open this up like yesterday itself. I'll open this up in a new window. We don't actually require this. So we'll close this off. We'll put this right over here. We'll increase these. size of the text as well, and this is where we were at. Yesterday we had studied about what is React. Okay, we studied about Babel, we studied about React DOM, virtual DOM, we studied about the React DOM.render method, we studied about the document.get element by ID, we studied about the vanilla JavaScript and everything that we did yesterday. Okay, today what our first aim is to convert this, okay, convert this into a component. Okay, this h1 element as well as the paragraph element, I want to convert it into an component itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by creating a function. Okay, so what is the code of creating a function, guys? I want to create a function called as article. So what will be the code that I have to write right now? Could you guys let me know? Okay, if I want to create a function called as article, what will be the like syntax for that? Could you guys let me know? You guys let me know what will be the syntax for that. Please let me know. Yes, Rahul Bajaj, you will get the sign of that particular company as well. That's great, guys. Function article, guys. Function article. So FUNCTION function ARTICLE article. Okay, and then you will be having your parenthesis right over here. Okay, we cannot use article as you're able to see right over here. Okay, article is coming up in a particular color. Okay, article is coming up in a particular color, guys. It's getting highlighted right over here. That means it's a reserved keyword. That means it's a reserved keyword. We cannot use this particular word, guys, as our function name. So let's change it to art. Okay, let's change it to art itself, guys, and that is what we are going to use. Okay, it's a function art or article, we can use it. Okay, there's no issues. That was not a particular color. Article article there. Okay, and then what we are going to do is we are going to put our 2 lines of code inside of here. Okay, this article function article is going to return, okay, is going to return our entire thing. Okay, it is going to return this. Okay, this function article is going to return this, guys. So guys, able to see this? Please let me know. Let's just return one element at a time, guys. Let's just return one element at a time. Let's just return the h1 element. Okay, let's move this all. Let us make sure that it is as simple as possible to understand. Let us just return the h1 element. Okay, let's just return the h1 element, guys. We'll try to make it as simple as possible. Okay, so create a function called as article that returns the h1 element. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Okay, we have created, so, and we'll name it as heading. Okay, we'll name this function as heading, guys. We'll name this function as heading. Okay, we have a function called as heading that returns the h1 element to us. Okay, that returns the h1 element to us. And now instead of using this h1 element, I'm going to use this heading function. Okay, we are going to use this heading function itself right now. To create a particular heading function, we are going to use heading heading, and then we are going to use a self-closing tag. Okay, we are going to use a self-closing tag. That is how you basically create a component in React, guys. It is as easy as that. Okay, we are going to go into a little bit more depth about it as well, but it is as easy as that, guys. Okay, you are having a particular function. Okay, you're creating a function called as heading right over here. Okay, that returns the h1 element. Okay, that returns the h1 element, and now you're going to use a self-closing tag. Now what is a self-closing tag? Up till now we have seen that tags are having an opening tag and a closing tag right over here, an opening tag and a closing tag right over here as the p tag. We are having an opening tag and a closing tag right over here for the h1 tag. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please let me know. You are having an opening tag and a closing tag. But what do you require? Why do you require an opening tag and a closing tag, guys? Okay. Why do you require an opening and a closing tag? To put something inside, right, guys? To put some content inside right over here between the opening and a closing tag, you are having the React keyword. Okay, you are having between the paragraph tags, you are having some content that you want to write. Between the div tag, you are having the h1 tag and the paragraph tag that exists. So you are having an opening and closing tag when you want to have something in between them, when you have to want some content in between them. In this heading tag that we are creating right over here, this component itself, does it has any kind of like content inside of it? No, it is going to be an opening heading tag right over here, and then a closing heading tag right over here. A closing heading tag. As simple as that. This is what is going to happen. It is going to be an empty because there's no content inside of it. Okay, there's no content inside of it, guys. There's an opening heading tag and a closing heading tag, guys. Okay, an opening heading tag and a closing heading tag. Guys, my camera has shut itself down. Okay, my camera has shut itself down because of lack of battery inside of it. So I'm just showing you guys the screen. I hope that you guys are still able to hear me properly. Okay, the camera is not working, guys. It has shut itself down because it has no battery inside of it right now. But I hope that you guys are able to still see, like listen to me carefully, and you're able to see the screen as well properly, guys. And I don't look so pretty that you want to look at me. Okay. So we are going to study like this for a few minutes. Okay, guys. So right over here, as you are able to see, we don't require an opening heading tag and a closing heading tag. Okay, we don't require an opening heading tag and a closing heading tag. So what we are going to do is we are going to remove this and create it as a self-closing tag. Okay, this is called as a self-closing tag. You don't require an opening and a closing tag. It's just a self-closing tag that you are having right over here. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. So if we are saving this, we are saving this and going back to our website, the website will still remain the same. There are no changes. Just that now React is a component, guys. Now React is a component. Okay, as you're able to see now, it's not changing anything, but now React is a component. Now, although we have learned this is not exactly how you create a component. This is like the hello world of component itself. Now we'll be moving further into a little bit of how to create a good component or quality component itself. Okay, guys. So what we are going to do right now is that we are going to open up files. Okay, then inside of source, we are going to create a new file. Okay, inside of source folder, we're going to create a new file. To create a new file, there's a button right over here, new file. Are you guys able to see this? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to see this button? Please do let me know. Kumari, we have already explained what is the component in our previous classes. Okay, please pay attention in the classes, otherwise you will be asking the same question 50 times. Okay, so right over here, just click on this particular button. Create a particular file called as heading. The name of the function that we have. I'm here. So the name of the function that we are having right now is called as heading, right, guys? So the name of this particular file will be heading heading dot JSX. Okay, heading is the name of the function, name of the component that we are creating, right, guys? Please do let me know. Heading is the name of the component that we are creating, right, guys? Please do let me know. And we are going to write our JSX code inside of it. Okay, we are going to write our JSX code inside of it. Am I right or wrong, guys? Please do let me know. Yes. So we are going to press enter right over here. That is our heading.jsx that we are creating. Okay. Now inside of our heading.jsx, again, this is a normal JSX file. We are going to write our JSX code. Right, guys? We are going to write our JSX code inside of it. So what is the thing that you require? The most important thing that you require to write JSX code, guys? Can you guys let me know? What is the most important thing to write JSX code, guys? Please do let me know. Please let me know, guys, what is the most important thing that you require to write JSX code? Import React. So, that's absolutely correct, guys. We need React, guys. We need React. So we are just going to copy this and paste it right over here because React contains Babel, and that is the only thing that can understand JSX code. Okay, that is the only thing that can understand JSX code, guys. The next thing that we want to do is we don't want our function to be here. We'll remove our function, Control X. Okay, we don't want our function to be here. We want our function to be in this heading.jsx file. Okay, and this file is going to export. Okay, export export default fault default heading 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 itself. Okay, that is what we are going to do. Export default heading. Okay, that is the last sentence that I'm going to write in this particular field. Here is first we are having React right over here that is required for your Babel, okay, to understand JSX. Then you are having your function heading, okay, that basically returns your h1 element itself. And then what I'm doing is, so basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to create my component like this inside of this heading.jsx file, and then I'm going to import, okay, I'm going to require the heading.jsx right over here. I'm going to require the heading.jsx right over here, guys. Okay, so let's do one thing to understand export. Okay, to understand export, we need to understand a few things, guys. Okay, are you guys ready to understand? Okay, because understanding export directly will be a little bit difficult for you. I want to make sure it is as easy as possible for you guys. That is the reason why what I'm going to say to you guys right now, try to understand it, try to just understand it a little bit. It will be very easy for you guys. I'm promising it to you guys. Okay, it will be a very easy concept to understand. Is that you have to pay a little bit of attention to it. Okay, you have to pay a little bit of attention to it, guys. That's the only thing that I'm asking from you guys. Will that be fine? Please do let me know. Will that be fine, guys? Please do let me know. Okay, guys. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just open that up. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I think so. My laptop has started hanging. I don't know why. Let me try to make sure that this is working right now. Give me a second, guys. Think so. Is my video also buffering, guys? Please let me know. Is my video also buffering? Please let me know. Okay, I'm not able to see that as well. Let me check. I think so. There's some issues. Give me a second, guys. It's not. Okay. Now it started to work, guys. Okay. 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 No issues. Okay. Am I audible, guys? Are you guys able to see this? Is there any buffering right now? Please do let me know. No buffering? Okay. Great. Okay. Great, guys. Awesome. So let's continue from right over here, guys. Like I said, we need to import. Okay, so let's understand what this export and import basically means. Okay, what this export and import basically means, guys. So here is a particular file. There are two files right now, guys. One file is right over here that is called as heading. It has a function called as, if you see, function called as heading as well inside of it. Okay, and then there's another particular file called as your index. Okay, index.js. This is heading.jsx. Okay, I want to use this function heading inside of this particular file. Okay, I want to use this function heading inside of our index.js file. Are you guys able to understand the question? Please do let me know. I want to utilize my function heading inside of my index.js file. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. From my end, buffering is not happening, guys. If it is buffering, then it would mean from your end itself. Okay, so how to do that? Okay, to be able to do that, I need to import. I need to get this entire file right over here to be able to utilize it. Okay, these two files are not connected to each other. I need to utilize the entire file right over here. So without doing that, what I can do is I can tell inside of index.js that I want to import the function heading from the heading file. Okay, I want to import the function. I want to import. Okay, this is one country. Sorry, this is India. Okay, this is USA. Okay, these are iPhones. Okay, these are iPhones. So if India requires iPhones, so India will need to import iPhones from USA. Am I right, guys? Please do let me know. You want to if India wants to use iPhone, okay, if India wants to use iPhone, then India will have to import iPhone from USA, right, guys? Similar to that, USA will have to export iPhones as well, so that India is able to import the iPhones. So we are going to export. We are going to export by default. The only thing that USA is going to export right now is iPhones. Okay, the only thing that the USA is going to export is iPhones, guys. So export default should be heading, heading. Heading. Export default should be heading, guys. So if US is basically, if heading.js is basically exporting the heading, then if you are importing it, so import, okay, import heading from heading file. Okay, that is the heading file that is there. Okay, so if we are doing this, then in that particular way we will be able to import the iPhones, import the heading function from the heading.jsx file. Are you guys able to understand this? This is the same way in which India is basically importing iPhones from USA. Okay, it's the exact same thing, guys. It's the exact same thing. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. So what we are going to do is we are going to export. So inside of this particular file, we are going to export our heading function. Okay, we are exporting our heading function, guys. Now we are going to import our heading function right over here. Okay, so we are going to import heading from dot slash heading. Okay, dot slash heading. Now why this dot slash heading, guys? Import heading, import in body module reorder to top. Okay, import first, no issues. X, order it to go to the top itself. B, S. Okay, so right over here, as you're able to see, dot slash heading. Okay, what is the meaning of dot slash heading, guys? This is the heading file. Okay, heading.jsx file, guys. So how to reach that? I want to stay in the current folder and I want to search for a file called as heading. This is what it is saying. Okay, dot basically means the current folder, slash basically means this particular file itself, and then the name of the file, that is heading. Okay, so I want to stay in the current folder and check for the heading.jsx file. Okay, so I want to stay in the same folder, that is index.js, and heading.jsx are in the same folder, that is src, and I'm going to find the path to our heading file. Okay, that is how this is being written right over here, and we are able to use then the heading component right over here, and we are having our react application working absolutely fine. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Why not heading.jsx? So you can actually write heading.jsx as well right over here, .jsx. You can actually do that. Okay, there's no issues. But JavaScript automatically assumes that there's just one particular file called as heading. So you don't need to specify .jsx. Okay, because it's just one particular file called as heading. So you don't need to specify JSX. Both the things will work absolutely fine. Okay, both the things will you work absolutely fine, guys. Okay. Are you guys able to understand this? Please do let me know, guys. Sir, in index.js file, we have written JSX code, but the extension is .js. Whereas in heading.jsx, we are using JSX as extension. Please explain why. So your index.js, we are writing it as a JavaScript file itself, but because we are importing React, so you can basically name it as index.jsx as well, but the usual methodology of working is that the index.js file should always remain a JavaScript file only, and the rest of the stuff should be sent to a JSX file. So what will happen right now, okay, when you are creating more number of components, so I'm not explaining it to you guys right now, but when we'll be working on the project itself, at that particular point of time, I'll be explaining it to you guys why index.js is there and the rest of all the files are named as heading.jsx, app.jsx, and all these kind of stuff. Okay, so right now you won't be able to understand it. Let's move on to the project itself. Once we'll be at the project, you guys will be able to understand it. You don't have to worry about it, guys. Okay. Yes, the file name should be same as the component itself. Okay, guys. So now that you are able to understand it, let us create another component. Okay, let us create a component that is going to be called as article. Okay, we have the article component that is going to be at the end of the heading itself. article article component. Okay, this is the component that I want to create. It should have a heading as well as a paragraph component inside of it. Okay, it should have a heading as well as a paragraph component inside of it. What is the first thing that we need to do, guys, to create an article component? What is the first thing that we are going to do, guys? Please let me know. What is the first thing that we need to do to create an article component, guys? What is the first thing that we need to do? Please let me know, guys. What's the first thing that we need to do, guys? Please let me know. Article.jsx, guys. That's great. Create article.jsx, article article.js, sorry, JSX. Okay. Then what is the next step, guys? What is the next step? What is the next step? Import React. Amazing, guys. Import React. So I'm just going to copy everything. If I to write it once again. And we are going to name this as article article. Okay, we are going to name this as article article right over here as well. Now to return, okay, to return two things. Okay, we want to return an h1 tag as well as a paragraph tag right over here. Okay, we want to return an h1 tag as well as a paragraph tag right over here, right, guys? So we need to again enclose it into a div tag. Okay, we need to enclose it into a div tag, guys. Let me put up something. So we need to put up a div tag right over here. Div. Yesterday I've already told you guys what is the use of the div tag. Okay, I don't think so I need to repeat it. Okay, we have already discussed this yesterday. I hope so that you guys remember that. So you cannot so if you want to return like multiple items inside of your component itself, you will have to use the div tag, guys. You will have to use the div tag. There's no other way of going about it. Okay, so I'm just going to copy our stuff from right over here and paste it inside the article paragraph tag. Control V, Control S, save. So this is the article file that we are able to create. We need to import it to actually use it. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to import it right over here. Okay, we are going to import it right over here. So we are going to have import article from dot slash article. Okay, we are going to save it right over here as well. We are going to go back to our website, reload the page. As you're able to see, we are able to get two components right over here. One is the heading component and the other one is the article component. Okay, the heading component and the second one is the article component, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. The logo of index.js was flickering because there were some issues with that. Okay, because we hadn't imported article and we were using article. There were some issues, but we rectified it. Okay, so now it is working absolutely fine. Okay, so that is how you can create as many components as possible. Now, when you're creating so many components, okay, when you're creating so many components, so what you usually do is that, okay, so what I will be doing right now is I will be creating a new file. I'll be calling it as app.jsx. Okay, I'm going to call it as app.jsx, guys. Okay, app.jsx. So now what we're going to do is whatever we have done right over here, the import statements and everything, that is going to go inside of our app.jsx. So Control C, and we are going to put it inside of app.jsx itself. Then we are going to have your index.jsx. We are going to remove everything from right over here. And we are going to put it inside of our app.jsx. This entire thing we are going to remove it from here and we are going to put it up inside of our app.jsx, guys. Okay, I'm so sorry. So we are going to create a function called as app. So if you can see GION function app, and then we are going to utilize this particular function return, and it is going to return this save. So what I've done right over here is I've created an app.jsx component that contains all the other components inside of it. Okay, it basically contains all the other components inside of it. And then we are going to export, app, export default app. Okay, we are going to export default app. That's it. Okay, so right over here, what I've done is instead of having all these inside of react dom.render, okay, we are just going to have the app.jsx inside of it. Okay, we're just going to have the app.jsx inside of it. So import app from app and that is what we are going to render right over here, guys. We're going to render the app. Okay, that is what we are going to render right now. Okay, are you guys able to see this? Please let me know, guys. Are you guys able to see this? Please let me know. So instead of having all the different things inside of your index.js, okay, we are putting it up inside of your app.jsx. Okay, and all the components that you want to create will create a new folder. Okay, we'll create a new folder itself called as components. Components, and we are going to place our article.jsx as well as our heading.jsx inside of this components folder itself. So now it will be dot slash, okay, it will be dot slash component slash article, sorry, heading, I'm so sorry, it's heading. And similarly right over here as well, it will be dot slash components slash article. Okay, because again all our components are now in the components folder, guys. All our components are now in the components folder, as you are able to see. Okay, your app.jsx is the place where everything is coming together, guys. Okay, it's coming together. We don't require react dom, so we are going to remove it. Don't require react dom in app.jsx. uh why do we write default, Rohit? Because in that particular file, in any of these files, there can be millions of functions that are there with different names. Okay, there can be millions of functions in each of these files with different names. What is the default function that you want to export whenever an import is happening? Okay, so that is the reason why by default we want to export this particular function. Okay, that is the reason why. Okay, yes, app.jsx is a component of components. Okay, app.jsx is the components of components itself. Are these components, article and heading, inbuilt capable to refresh by them from starting from now onwards? Actually, they are not connected to the backend, but yes, once they are connected to the backend, they will be able to do that. Okay. Are you guys able to understand this? App is not not in component. No, we are not placing app in component because that is the main place where we are going to work, right? All the components, the smaller components, we are going to place it inside of our components folder. Okay. Why do you remove React DOM from app.jsx? Because that's again a component. Okay, app.jsx is again a component. Did you use React DOM in any other places? No, right? That is the reason why. So can we use arrow functions in app? See, we will be learning about arrow functions when we will be starting our project itself, guys. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, when we'll be starting our project, we'll be learning about the arrow functions as well. Okay. Okay, guys. So, are you guys able to understand everything up till here? Please do let me know. Are you guys able to understand everything up till here? Please do let me know, guys. Yeah, I know the face cam is not working. I'm so sorry for that. It does not has any charge inside of it. I will make sure that I've kept it charged from the next particular class itself. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, okay, that's great. Okay, guys. So, if you guys are able to understand everything up till here, that's amazing. I hope that you guys will be able to. So, we have done with components itself. We have created everything. We have made sure that we are ready for the project. Actually, okay, we are ready for the project. So it will be very easy from here, guys. And I hope that you guys will be able to revise everything that I've told today. Okay. Please, guys, make sure that today, whatever we have done, you guys are able to revise it, practice everything. Okay. Before the next particular class, guys, please practice everything, guys. Otherwise, it would not help you guys out at any particular point of time. Please practice everything that we have done up till now, guys. Only then you will be able to understand it. Otherwise, you are not never going to understand it, guys. Okay, never going to understand it. So please practice everything before the next class. In the next class, we'll be starting off with our project, guys. The next class will be starting off with our project, guys. So please make sure that you guys are able to revise everything before coming to the next class. Okay, can I expect that from you guys? Can I expect that from you guys? Please let me know. Can I expect that from you guys? Please let me know, guys. Great, guys. Amazing. Again, guys, if you have any questions or queries related to the training and internship program that we are having, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number. Okay. If you guys have any questions or queries related to the training or internship, you guys can reach out to this particular WhatsApp number. In the meanwhile, I'm creating your attendance for today. I have already pinned it up, guys. If you guys have any questions or queries related to the training and internship, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number. I've already pinned it up in the live chat. Okay, and our team will be able to help you guys out with the same. Okay, guys. Right now, I'm creating your attendance link, guys. I'm creating your attendance link. Actually, the camera is not charged. That is the reason why you're not able to see my face. I will make sure that from tomorrow onwards, you will be able to see my face itself. Okay. So day 5 attendance, that is what we wanted to create. Actually, I'm not feeling well. I'm feeling a bit pukish. That is the reason why I didn't went to office as well. I was at home. But I wanted to make sure that everything is being taught to you guys properly and there's no issues whatsoever. There's a reason why still took up your class itself. Okay. So right over here in the live chat, I provided you guys the attendance link, guys. Provided you guys the attendance link in the live chat. If you guys are able to see it, please do let me know. Provided you guys with the attendance link, guys, in the live chat. If you guys are able to see it, please do let me know. Please do fill up the attendance link in the next 5 minutes. Okay, please do fill up the attendance link in the next 5 minutes, guys. And what is the last day to register for the internship program? Anmol, that is in the next 4 days. Okay, it is in the next 4 days itself. That is the time that would be there. Okay. Okay, so in the next 5 minutes, please fill out the form. The form will get closed at 8:14. Okay, the form will be closed at 8:14. Set an alarm for 8:14. Krishna Kishore, you will be able to understand it while we'll be doing the project. Okay, it will be very easy to understand. Okay, for those guys who are having any type of questions or queries related to the training and internship program, I've already provided you guys with the WhatsApp link. You can reach out to us on the WhatsApp number itself. Okay, tomorrow most probably I will not be able to take up a class, guys. I might be having to go to the hospital or I might be taking a holiday itself to rest. But day after tomorrow we'll be having our project, guys. Day after tomorrow I will be having our project as well. I've already provided you guys with the attendance link. I've already provided you guys with the WhatsApp link as well. If you guys have any questions or queries related to the training or internship program, you guys can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number. Okay, you can reach out to us on this particular WhatsApp number. So the class is over, guys. You guys can see start leaving. Okay, you the class is over, guys. You guys can start leaving itself. The attendance thing is already shared, guys. The attendance thing is already shared. If you are late in today's class, we cannot help you guys out with the same. Okay, the link is working absolutely fine. As you're able to see, 1000 people have already filled out their attendance as well. Okay, thanks so much, guys. We'll meet tomorrow. Okay, it's the day after tomorrow. Okay, I'm not feeling well. That is the reason why I'm not taking up the class. That is the reason why I'm at home as well. Okay, so the program will be there on the next class will be there after some time. Okay, guys. So tomorrow will be a holiday for you guys. So please do make sure that you are able to revise as much as possible. And we'll be meeting after a few days itself. Okay, we'll have our project. Those guys who want to enroll, they can enroll themselves via the WhatsApp number. We will be helping you guys out with the same. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Bye, guys. Bye.